Welcome back. You know, it's no secret having children is tough on a woman's body, and some women choose plastic surgery to get their pre-baby body back. And let's discuss it. Joining us this morning, Dr. Lapuerta is here. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Thanks for coming in, and hot topic for sure. I'm not sure who booked this interview, just teasing. Some of the common complaints, what do you hear as far as women who have just given birth? What are they looking for?
Well, during pregnancy, as you know, the body has a lot of changes. The breast change, the stomach change. I think the number one complaint is the abdomen or the stomach has to stretch out for the pregnancy, and that doesn't bounce back easily a lot of times. So the number one would be the abdomen, the shape of the abdomen.
Okay.
Number two is probably the breasts.
Okay. And this is something that we shouldn't go have the baby and 2 weeks later go in to see you. I mean, we need to kind of let things settle, correct?
Right, right. Number one is the health of the mom and the child. And then you want to take your time and be patient with your body, let your body heal. And of course, you probably want to be breastfeeding. That's highly recommended across the world. So I think maybe 6 months after finishing your breastfeeding phase, then you can pay attention to getting your body back to restoring it.
Yeah, getting it back to what you hope is pre-baby. What is this Mommy Makeover that you're kind of talking about?
Yeah, Mommy Makeover includes three things, very simple. Number one is the abdominoplasty or a tummy tuck.
Okay.
Number two would be a breast lift or a breast augmentation. And then finally a liposuction to touch things up with those two procedures.
Okay.
And it's a combination of those three procedures that we can do at one time to restore the woman's body.
Now, would you recommend something like this if a woman's not done having children, let's say she, has the one and then a couple years down the road wants to have a few more, would you wait till we're done having kids totally?
I would wait until you're done having children before having the abdominoplasty.
Okay.
The abdominoplasty involves removing a lot of skin from the stomach and tightening the muscles. So it may be difficult to have more children after an abdominoplasty.
Sure, and
liposuction, you could do it before if you plan to have other children, and breast augmentation can be done prior to having other children.
Okay, and when you do these surgeries, you should know too. I mean, diet and exercise still comes along with all of this, correct?
Right, right. You got to put in the work. It's best to have the surgery while you're healthy, and you want to do dieting, you want to exercise, and be as healthy as you can for these procedures.
Great. Well, a few tips on that. So wait until our body kind of shifts back to normal and then ask those questions and see kind of what's left behind, if you will.
Exactly.
Great. Well, great advice. Do appreciate it. You could see a replay of this interview all under the hot button for you on click2houston.com. Dr. Lapuerta, thanks for coming in. Do
You're
appreciate
welcome.
it.